I'm recording again. Come on. Hurry up, look. I'm recording. Hurry up.
This is another video, right?
Yeah, it's another one.
Okay, now just talk while I'm just doing my car. Come on, talk.
So he's about to make his car look raw. So tell us how you making this car look raw.
Where is it? It is a... No, bro, stop laughing. And then they're not gonna like this video. It's a 1971 Dodge Challenger. It has no headlights, no doors, nothing except for this body in it and wheels. It still rolls, but let's watch it get touched with water. Bro, how's that funny? Now you just about to make me laugh and then we ain't gonna get no subscribers. Oh, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to hit the bell. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell them to.
Right, don't forget to hit that bell, subscribe. We
want that side button, like slap it.
Like smash it, and guys, we want 1,000 views. Can you please give us 1,000 views?
And by next month, we gonna have like at least 1,000 subscribers. If we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll give a giveaway for this car.
Yeah. Then we're gonna give y'all like an Xbox 360. Whoever got
No, we'll give them an Xbox One.
Whoever give us
Xbox One X.
Xbox One X.
iPhone X.
iPhone X. And then if we give them an Xbox, they gotta let us have a PS4.
No. If they don't have a PS4, it's not their fault. It's actually the parents' fault.
No. Alright, let's do the video. Come on.
Okay, now, like, cover up your camera thing. Cover right there. Okay, what's up, guys? Let go. Don't. Hi, guys. Okay, now record them doing your car while I just finish doing my car. Again.
Oh, dang. Okay, with my car. Guys, so this car got broken and I got a new car. And my new car is, where's that green car?
Green car is right there.
Where? Look, it's right here. I'm sorry, guys. It's right here. You need to go get some more water?
How about right now?
You better go right now. Go ahead and get some new water.
I gotta let this soak through the towel.
Guys, y'all think I should post? Guys, we just need some money. You know why we need 1,000 likes?
Not real money, but like just 1,000 likes though.
This 1,000 likes. You know why we need 1,000 likes? Because we want to buy our family some nice stuff. He wouldn't buy his mom some clothes, and I'll buy my mom some necklaces.
All we need is like $20.
I just need $20, and that's it.
Like, I'm gonna buy her some like $10 shoes.
So.
Throw me the cup.
Huh?
Throw me the cup.
Okay. So, guys, I'm going to show you how he's doing this in the bathroom. Here, I'm going to show the guys. So, he's walking to the bathroom. He is taking a lift. He's getting some a drink for his car. This is about to be so raw. It's about to be so raw. You filled it up? Come on.
Let's get moving.
Guys, I like this house though. It's 3 bedrooms.
3 bathrooms in each room.
You got 3 bathrooms?
I just find we really don't.
Dude.
How much bathrooms do y'all got?
2.
We got 2 bathrooms too.
One downstairs, one upstairs.
Yeah, okay, come on. We got one downstairs and one upstairs. Okay, come on.
I'm recording from right here.
No, just sit down now.
No, I'm sitting on the bed. I don't feel like sitting on the floor.
No, for real, sit on the floor. They gotta pull my car up a little bit because it's like not supposed to be right here. There you go. They just pulled my car out, guys. Okay, now just go show them your stuff that they did to your car.
Dude, I already did.
You did upgrades to your car, so let me get a car. This is gonna be a car. Wait, no. You in a truck? Cause you gonna look fire in a truck.
I don't care.
This is Dodge Ram.
Guys, look at my car.
Show them what they did. your car and
hey,
go
bro, they
faster.
made my car though. Well, I'm looking at the front, but they can still see you pouring stuff though, cause I'm looking at my car though. Hey, boy, you see these? Look what they did to my car. This car is raw, and it's a fast car. Last time I was driving this car, I won.
It's
the
number
race.
68, and it goes 200 miles an hour, 600 horsepower.
Okay. And they can do raw stuff too. If you ride over a ramp, you won't die.
Yeah, even my car, bro.
So, y'all ready for this, guys? Y'all ready for him to do his?
I'm really revealing my car,
Look.
but it's not done yet. I gotta like smack it and stuff.
That's tearing in them. Don't worry about them. Guys, so look, my cousin tearing downstairs. And I
Don't
want
tell them about her,
Oh,
because the police could watch that. Because
Oh.
they know about tearing. She could get arrested. Because I remember the last time when my sister told me something about her, but I forgot. Don't get it. We're not gonna get in trouble.
guys, gotta tell you something. I know. Stop, bro. It's getting on me. Guys, me and my... Oh, did he go to school with me? He's my friend at school and stuff.
Okay, guys, the car's done.
It's done?
Yep.
I thought it was water. Now I'd be like, oh.
You guys love it. We gotta get it pulled out by this because.
See y'all later, baby. Hit
No,
the...
don't stop recording.
Okay.
We gotta do the reveal in next video. So stop record, smash that like button, subscribe. Okay, stop recording.
Hey, see y'all later on the next video. Peace.